The winds are too high at the bowl, so they're gonna be jumping the ramp instead. One guy might be going in a second. The rest say it's too windy. The wind is not ideal. It's kind of ridiculous. They're taking pictures of me. That's fucking awesome. You better not touch me.
Nope, you fucking take off. You going?
Yeah, I'm gonna go. There's a plane flying overhead. Totally wants to chase it. Oh, that was fast. I didn't realize he was just gonna go for it. That was way too fast. Gotta work well under pressure, right? That was interesting. I might have been blown a bit into the cliff while I was falling. That's why I had to go backwards to keep him inside. I could tell he was nervous. It's probably really windy up there. It's a really nice landing. GoPros, stop recording. I'm driving on this dirt road to get to the second location of the day. This place can get pretty switchy with the winds, so still not sure if anyone's gonna be jumping it, but it's the best that we got. Base jumper etiquette 101. You want to make it very clear that you're not going to film them if they're not comfortable. The way you do that is you tell them, hey listen, if you get to the top and you're not comfortable with the drone, just make sure to give me a wave before you go. That way I'll know to pull away and not follow you down. But if you do want to be filmed and you want to help out, please give us 3 pumps in the air. So this is a technique that I developed when we were filming the turkey boogie, because there were groups of people at the top and we didn't know which one was going first. And that way when they gave us the 3 pumps, we knew that person is going and they're going now. Those 2 techniques I think are crucial to getting good base jumping shots. 45 minutes of waiting. Finally the crew has come through. I just saw him come over. Oh yeah. I love this so much. Woo! That was a sick shot. Swapping batteries, I'll be back out. Nice. Lost a little bit of reception there, but that's okay. He's practicing, might be a beginner. I'll keep my distance just in case. Oh shit, these guys are going 2-way. Sweet, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Oh shit. Let's pause there for a second. Base jumper safety 101. Whenever you're filming base jumpers, you always want to make sure you have a backup plan. When you're filming from below, the best thing to do is as you start to get closer to them, you angle your drone sideways so that you can push out of there using your throttle at any moment. If you actually listen to the raw footage, you could hear me do that twice. The first time I didn't do it enough, so the second time I really pushed the throttle and got myself out of that situation. The whole reason that happened was because I wasn't expecting the base jumper to go into a full tuck for 2 front flips. And of course when he does that, he falls at a much faster rate than the drone just because there is less air resistance, and the drone still needs to have the props spinning as slow as they can just to be able to keep the camera upright. That's something that you gotta anticipate, and I didn't. Well, let's keep going. I got a tiny bit too close, so I had to jump out of there.
1 minute.
These guys are pros. Ooh, that is scary. Nicely done. Oh, that was a sick shot. Oh, that was not sick at all. Sweet. So the base jumpers are having a party at this campground right now, and I thought it'd be really funny to crash it with my cinewhoop. I'm gonna drive up, but I'm gonna park early so they don't see me, and I'm gonna pull out the cinewhoop, fly into the campground, and just scare the shit out of as many base jumpers as I can. I don't know if I'll be able to fly back, but the flight back doesn't matter as much. This is really dark. I can't see shit. Oh shit, this so disorienting. Oh fuck, I can't believe I made it here. That was so disorienting. They're probably like, what the fuck is going on? And I'm having too much fun. Oh shit, I'm about to crash. This is pretty cool though. Damn, that's a real fire, huh? I have no idea how to get back. Alright, I think that right there is the fire that I came from. It could also be that. I think it's that. I'm gonna try my luck. Fly over here. Oh yeah, that's definitely where I'm at. Yeah, that's my truck. Oh my god, I can't believe that I'm making it back. I thought I lost my drone there for a second. That was fun though. I'm gonna go hang out with my friends now.
So there's this dude, he's tripping pretty hard. He was over in the glass right there, just like looking at it and touching it and stuff, and all of a sudden, he's standing on the truck. Drone's coming down over him and he's ducking, like taking cover, like, what the hell is that? It was awesome.
Last night was crazy. Base jumpers know how to party, I'll tell you that. Good vibes, music, people dancing all over the place, tripping on all kinds of stuff. Fog machines in their RVs with lasers. It's a good atmosphere.